Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca here, and today I'm going to do a Vine O unboxing. Yep, it's that time again for some Vine O, and hey, if you don't know what Vine O is, it is a wine subscription box, and it is so much fun. You get 5 items that are gift-inspired beauty, lifestyle, health, house, you know, and you get 2 bottles of wine, or you use my code and you sign up for the lifetime subscription. I think it's lifetime membership, yeah, and not the movie channel. And then you get 3 bottles of wine, and each bottle of wine is valued around $20. The box itself retails, you pay $59. So this month's box value is $134, but you don't pay that. So this is fun. Let's dig in together. I am going to crack open a bottle of the Pinot Grigio. Maybe I already did. You know, I did the cork off. I did the cork off camera to save time. So this is their new Crush Pinot Grigio. This is a California wine. They have California and South Africa wines. This is their own wine label. They have 2 wine labels, and yeah, so I know, right? Also, I think the special perk this month with a lifetime membership subscription is this really cute wine glass that says celebrate, and I guess I'm feeling like celebrating. It's 9 in the morning. No, it's not. This tastes good. I love a Pinot Grigio. I'll show you what bottles I got this month. Okay, so the new Crush 2019 Pinot Grigio is aromatic and complex. It is aromas of white peaches, white flowers, sea spray, oyster shell, and flavors ranging from cassava melon to citrus zest and a hint of creme fraiche in the finish. And you know what? I feel like I taste the melon, I taste the peach, the white flower. I don't know if I taste the ocean spray, but the sea spray, sorry. They also sent, in this box, I have the new Crush label, California Pinot Noir 2018. And this Pinot Noir, sorry, is an expressive wine aromatically with lychee, cranberry, cola with a K, raspberry, red cherries, abounds with hints of cinnamon and clove, wildflower, honey, and cacao. Wow, flavors of red fruits, including pomegranate, are accented by wisps of cedar and a hint of leather. This wine has a bright, food-friendly profile. It sounds like a Tom Ford perfume. Like, okay. I didn't used to like a Chardonnay. At least I hadn't tried a Chardonnay I liked until I tried this Chardonnay, and it's the Speechless. This is the 2018 California Chardonnay. So this has aromas of golden delicious apple, Meyer lemon, pineapple, and hints of vanilla and creme brulee, brioche, and honey. Yes, so it's crisp, it's not oaky, it doesn't taste like you're sitting in an old barrel. I love it. I think Vine O makes a great gift. I think if you want to gift a girlfriend, when I did this for the holidays, I was like, you guys, buy this for, you know, an aunt or a sister or someone that maybe it's your best friend's 40th or something, and you guys know that your girls' wine trip was canceled for COVID, or I don't know, you know, I think this would be a fun thing to do. So let's see what else is in here. And yeah, usually you just get a combination of different items that, like I said, they range from household to food to beauty. And this one here is the Sixtrees home decor sign. I mean, do we need this in our home? Yes. 3 little words: live, love, wine. So this would be cute like on your little bar, like on your little wine rack, on your mantle, in your kitchen, right? Okay, so let's see what it says about it. Sixtrees home decor box sign. It's a hand-finished wood box sign. Perfect addition to your home decor, right? So the Sixtrees brand for over 20 years has set the standard in wall decor, photo frames, and home accessories. They create exclusive designs, sourced from around the world, and inventory in the USA. So that's cute. So that's like a cute little accent, right? That retails for, I think, $12. Yes, that box is $12. Take a sip of wine. Drinking game every time I say, Guys, chocolate, anyone? This is Moonstruck Chocolate Company. This is their classic milk chocolate bar. They have assorted flavors. The chocolate bars are sure to make your day, yes. Made from sustainable cocoa. They are perfect for every chocolate lover. They have, they're made in Portland, Oregon, and they have 8 bars in a variety of dark, milk, and different flavor combinations. So this is, it says right on there, Portland, Oregon, duh. Moonstruck Creamy Milk Chocolate, 31% cacao. Look at this cute label. I prefer milk. I kind of like don't care. I will eat any chocolate, but I do find milk chocolate to be more pleasant. Very pleasant. 0 calories.
Just kidding.
All natural, non-GMO ingredients. Oh, the next thing is a necklace. This is so cute. Comes in a little velvet pouch. The brand Zaxie. Okay, this is so cute. What is this? Ooh, it has a gem. Zaxie gold disc necklace. This gold disc necklace from Zaxie is the perfect addition to your jewelry collection. It's a great everyday necklace that includes a floating cubic zirconium. Okay, hang on. Look how cute. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. There, that's better. That's pretty. The Zaxie family business has been designing tiaras for Miss America over 3 generations. Wow. Okay. That's so cute. Ooh, I kind of like it even with my mother of pearl Kendra Scott earrings. It's just a nice little, cute little chain, cute little pendant. And this is retailing for, this is $28, which is kind of like what I would spend, you know. That's cute. This almost looks like it could be engraved. It's got such a good surface area. This next item is the Aqua de Soy, I guess so, soy candle. Look at me, candle. This, I love the box. I think when candles come in boxes like this, it just makes them that much more appealing. They just look like such a good house gift. This is like one of those, you know, like those little boutiques you go to in those cute little towns. Okay, Aqua de Soy is quince and passion fruit. It's definitely hand poured. So it's just a nice, good poured candle, you know, for your kitchen counter, for your bathroom. It smells so good. Quince and passion fruit, who would have thought? So this is 100% soy oil with a burn time of 50 hours. It's the perfect aromatherapy, mood elevation, and relaxation. All right. Ooh, 100% cotton, lead-free wicks, and kosher soy oil. I love it. It smells, it's like it smells sweet and floral, but fruity and kind of just like just nice. It doesn't have any kind of heavy perfumey kind of, it doesn't smell like Pledge. It doesn't smell like, you know, a bathroom or something like that. A urinal cake. It just smells nice. So I really like this. The Aqua Soy Candle is $20. I think that's great. Okay, then last, there is a beauty product in here. It is the Kenra Air Dry Cream. And if you notice, I air dried my hair with this. I totally tried this. Now, these top hairs I did with my curling iron, like just my 3/4 inch rod, clipless barrel. But like all this under here, all this little kind of curly, like right here, I'll show you. This right here is the air dry cream. Like that's my natural wave, which I know it's like, what, Rebecca? What? I never know how to, my hair isn't completely consistent in this texture. Like the top hair is straight and underneath is so curly. And it just, my hair all changed in my 30s after, everybody says that after you have a baby, your hair changes, and it's so true. Your feet change and your hair changes, among other things. So anyhow, what's in this box is the Kenra Air Dry Cream. Kenra is an awesome hair care brand. This is the Kenra Platinum Time-Saving Air Styler. So this says that it dramatically juices air dry time up to 59% and enhances natural body for effortless looks. For effortless looks, this time-saving styling cream delivers a dedicated hold to tame frizz and resist humidity. Yes. So yeah, I was like, I'm gonna just embrace the natural. Like, I don't know how much you can see back here, but that's just me. So normally I don't wear my hair like that. But today I put in, you know, a good dollop of this, and I just worked it in. I put it in, you know, my little hair turban, and then I scrunched it, did a little diffuser blow dryer action, but just kind of let it, I put a little salt spray and a couple passes on the curling. Yeah, so this is me. This is me on an island with a bunch of hair care products, but you know what I mean. And it feels, my hair feels really soft and I like it. So that is this month's Vino box, and I hope that was fun. Thank you, Vino, for sending this to me. I will leave links, codes, everything below so you can check it out. Like I said, if you've got a special, just a special gift that you want to get someone, or maybe yourself, or hint to your husband, you can tell them to do this in time for Mother's Day. That's a lot of pre-planning for him, so he'll thank you. It's only February. And now I'm going to just relax and finish my glass of wine. So thank you so much. Cheers, and I hope you subscribe. I hope you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.